Tired of having allergies because of pet hair? No matter how much you love your pet, whenever you cuddle with him, the fur will go to your nose or mouth. That could cause you or your kids massive allergies you won't be able to control when you're close to your pet. But with Furfree, you won't have to worry about that anymore. With the needle of this brush, you will finally be able to get the loose fur of your pet. And with a single click, you will easily be able to get it off the brush as well. No more worrying about allergies while cuddling with your pet. Keep your pet happy and clean and your home and furniture's fur-free.